foolish dessert with just 2 ingredients. In a saucepan, add 1 cup of sugar and stir until it melts and turns to caramel. When you reach this point, add half cup of water and stir until the caramel is completely melted. This is the sweet spot. Now let's take this caramel and move it all into a pudding shape. Carefully spread this caramel around the edge and with the help of a spoon or spatula, spread it across the top of the pan. In a container, we are going to need 7 white eggs. The way I did in the video was breaking the egg and removing the yolk with your own hand, but you can also do the pet bottle trick. Now just repeat the process with the rest of the eggs, and with the help of an electric mixer, let's beat this white. If you don't have a mixer with a fouet, you can do it too. When the egg white is at the point of snow, we will add 2 tablespoons of sugar and just add it a little by little. After adding all the sugar, just stop beating and my egg white is ready. With the help of a spatula, we are going to move all the content into the tin with the caramel. Before putting it in the oven, we have to put this mold in bain-marie, taking a baking tray and add water until halfway through the pan. And now just bake at 240 degrees for 35 minutes. Our dessert is ready. Now just unmold it on a plate and you'll see how amazing it is. When turning the shape, be careful not to spill the caramel, as I did in the video. This dessert melts in your mouth and it's very reminiscent of cotton candy. I hope you enjoyed. This was another recipe from the Pooh in the Kitchen. That's strong her. Until the next time, and thanks for watching.